One of the most best and effective ways to reach the largest audience online is through email marketing. And for this email marketing to occur, you need something called an email list. However, if this is your first time of hearing about email list, in this video today, I'll be exposing you to how you can build an email list from scratch. I welcome you all to Ebsolmetrics. My name is Adebayo Joseph. Please, I urge you to contribute to my channel growth by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share it among your loved ones. We don't know who might need the video. Let's dive in straight away. So to get this done, there is this particular all-in-one marketing tools we are going to be making use of, which is known as systeming.io. And systeming is basically all-in-one platform that allow you to do your marketing online easily. So, and as good as it is, you can get started for free up to some certain level. So, and once you grow your account, your contacts up to some level, then you can consider to upgrade. So there will be a link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out so that you can sign up through my link. So however, if you don't have an existing account, so once you landed on my link in the description below, all you need to do is to click on sign in. If that's after you have signed up already, but if you don't have an account, all you need to do is to click on get my free account, and once you click on it, you will be redirected to enter your email address. As you can see, enter your email address, and once you are done entering your email address, you will be asked to verify the actual ownership of the email you have submitted. And once you are done verifying, it's as simple as ABC. So you will be in your dashboard. So since I have my own existing account, I will log in right now so that you see how it looks like. See you in the dashboard. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. Everything is going to look as neat as ever. I think you can see. Since you are a new subscriber here, so yet you don't have any leads, no contacts yet. You can see all is zero now. You have zero here. But don't worry, by the time we are going to finish with this particular video on how to build an email list with systeming.io, so you will be surprised that the number would have increased to 1. You know it's 0 currently, but don't worry. So because I'll be test running it to see if it works so that you can also try it for yourself. So however, so you have various things you can do with this particular all-in-one email marketing software. So and it's all in one marketing tool as well. So it's not meant only for email marketing, it can be used for other things such as to host an evergreen webinar, to sell your online course, affiliate program. You can manage and set up your own affiliate program, set up the commission rate and the likes with this particular systeming.io. I think you can see. So here, this is your contact. This is where you'll be able to see all the contacts you have. So all the email you have, and it can also show here. So it will also show here. Then here, this if you want to build a funnel, maybe you want to sell anything. So here is an email, newsletter, campaign statistics, blogs. If you want to build your own blog, there is availability for that on this particular all-in-one marketing tool. So automation, if you want to set up your automation rules, workflows, product sales like physical products, coupon. You can also apply a coupon code. You can use it to sell your online course. You can get started for free. So you can host as many students as you like. So that's how it works. So now let's dive into today's business right now. So all you need to do to build an email list is to click on funnels. So and once you click on funnel, it will load. And once it's done loading, you'll be able to see how we are going to build our own email list from scratch, whereby you can share, and once people drop their email voluntarily, they will all appear on your contacts or on your main dashboard. So by so doing, you can have access to their email account and start sending them anything you like at any time or at any point in time. So now, as it is now, so let's create a new funnel. So to create it, click on create, come to this place. I think you can see my cursor here. So all you need to do is to come to create. So once you click on create, so you can name the funnel. You can name the funnel as anything you like, anything like you like. Let me name it YouTube tutorial, or let me name it health tips. Health tips, because the ebook I'm going to be using as our lead magnet is all about how to lose weight. That's 15 weight loss tips. So now you might start wondering, what is lead magnet? Lead magnet is anything that you use to entice people to drop their email address voluntarily. But mind you here, it shouldn't necessarily be an ebook. A lead magnet shouldn't necessarily be an ebook. It could be anything, but it's just majorly anything you give out for free to encourage people to drop their email for you. That's what basically a lead magnet is. So and that's how it works. So once you click on this place, once you are done naming your funnel, so either you click on build an audience, sell, run an evergreen webinar. So this one, assuming you want to sell your own online course or your own digital product, any digital products, so you can click on this place. Or if you want to run an evergreen webinar, you can click on this place. But as it is right now, we are going to build an audience. So click on build an audience. So once you are done clicking on build an audience, you can change your currency. So if you like, you can change it to any currency of your choice. So we have as many currency as possible. We have Canadian dollar, euro, Hong Kong dollar. So we also have US dollar and the like. But I will leave it the way it is. Just click on save. And once you are done clicking on save, so once you are done clicking on save, so you will see it here and we have it already, health tips. So all you need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, so all the pre-available templates will load. So however, if you like, you can choose to build your own from scratch, or you can use the available template. You can leverage on them, make use of them and customize them to your own taste. So and now you can see the templates are loading currently. So and once it's done loading, you can actually select any of the templates you feel like using. So these are the available templates. They are all amazing. They are all amazing. They are all amazing. These are all the available templates here. But however, if you feel like you don't want to use the template, that you want to build your own from scratch, you can easily do that. So you can easily preview any of the templates before you start using them. You can preview any of the templates you can preview before you start using them to see how it actually look like. And even after you have done selecting, if you don't feel like using it, you can still change it to another one. So that's how beautiful this is. So now, assuming you are not pleased with any of the templates, you can easily come to the last segment here and click on this one that is blank, this one with blank surface. Click on it to create to start building your own from scratch without using the template. Only all you need to do is using drag and drop. Basically, this platform uses what you see is what you get, meaning that you only have to drag and drop, and once you are done in a minute. So you can click on select. But basically, we are not going to be doing that. So now let me look at any templates I would like to use as our own templates here. Okay, now I think I like this one. Let me select this one. I prefer this one, so that because we are about to give out an ebook as a lead magnet, so that we can start building our email list. So now this particular template will be okay for us, to use. So that's why I prefer to choose it. So please wait for it to load. The network is slow. Now it's downloading currently, and there are so many things you can do here. So you can save your funnel step, you can view funnel step, you can edit page, and you can also change page template. You know, I told you the other time you can change the template if you don't feel like using it. So and here you can view funnel. Here these are the funnel settings, and you can see if you want to create a marketplace, I told you the other time. So and all you need to do now is to click on this particular pen icon, which is to edit. Click on edit page. So that we will be able to customize it according to our own taste. So once it's done loading, we'll be able to customize it according to our own taste. So and it's very simple and straightforward. Once you know how to use your Word document, this is as easy as ABC. So you can simply use it. Very easy. Only you need to drag and drop the element you need and you'll be done in a minute. So now this is how the template looks like. This is how the template looks like. It's as simple as ever. So I prefer to use this one. So however, you may make any changes you want. If you like, you can change the background color. Instead of red, you can change it to anything you like. So you can change the wordings there, you can change the font. So and this, I think you can see this left hand side. These are all the tools. Based on any section you select, you will see the properties. The properties will be shown here. So you have headings, that's headline text, bullet text, content box, image, video, audio, carousel. They have column layout, so row, section, form, button, checkbox, Facebook comment, Twitter share, survey, countdown timer, menu, horizontal line, row, raw HTML and FAQ. So it all depends on you or whichever project you are trying to design. So now as it is now, I want to change the background color of this one. Instead of red, I don't like it to be red, so I would like to change it to something like blue. All you need to do is to click on this top section. Once you click on this top section, I think you can see my cursor where it is. So click on this top section and come to this left hand side. So you are now going to click on this color. So once you click on it, you'll be able to change the color. I think you can see now the color has changed already, and this is how it's looking currently. This is how it's looking currently. So and once you are done changing the color, so you can also change the top padding, bottom padding, left and right padding. So you can do anything you like with it. So and this wordings, you can change the typography, that's the font size. If you like, if the font, assuming the font size is too big for you, you can change it. And you can change the font type, that's this is it. You have Google font, you have other font, but I'm going to leave it at Google font. And this Google font, you can change it to any other thing. So now I'm going to change it to Roboto because I like that. I like to use Roboto. So and font style regular. Regular is okay. So now once you are done with that, all you need to do is to change the wordings. Since you are about to give out an ebook, so you can write something like get get access get access to best 15 weight plus ebook ebook or best 15 weight loss tip. Best 15 weight loss tips. So I leave it this way. All you need to do, the font size is too big. So once you need, what all you need to do is to click on it, highlight it, then you now reduce the font size. Now let's reduce the font size. So once you are done reducing the font size, I think it's quite small. So once you are done reducing the font size, I think you can see the line height is too much. The spacing in between is too much. So all you need to do is to come to this particular one, line height, and reduce the line height. I think you can see everything is now looking perfect this way. So then after you are done increasing the line height, you can make everything to be centralized. So now I think you can see everything is now center. So then double click on it. Once you double click, then click on bold. I think you can see my cursor. You have bold, italic, underline, strike through. So click on bold, so everything will now be bold. Den I want to change the color to red, click on this place, click on it and change the color. Just all you need to do is to drag it and the color will change. So the color has been changed already. So the color has been changed. But all I need to do is, because I will need this color again, let me copy the color code to make use of it in our design as we go along. So once you are done, I think you can see everything is now looking good, it's looking perfect, it's coming out gradually. So all you need to do, you can change this one also. Instead of enter your name and email to access all the free resources, you can easily change it to enter your name and email to access to get access to get access to get access for for your free ebook, for your free ebook. Let's make the ebook in uppercase. Make it in uppercase. So to get access to your ebook, all you need to do is to make it bold. So and once you are done, then come to this side and let's make it center. So everything has been centered. So it's looking good right now currently. So then on this button, come to this button, click on this button. So click on this button. So we are now going to change the wording. Instead of download now, we are going to change it to get access. We are going to change it to get access. But before then, we want to change this button color. The color of the button, we want to change it. Instead of green, I don't like the green color, so I would like to change it to red color. Since I have copied the color code already, so I'm going to paste it here. So I think you can see the color is now changing. The color has changed to red, but the edges are too sharp. The corner radius is too sharp, so I'm going to change the corner radius. I'm going to change the corner radius so it will not be too sharp as this. So what you need to do is to come back and click on the button. Click on the button. So click on the button. Once you are done clicking on the button, so you'll be able to come to this one, rounded corners. So rounded corners, you are now going to see top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right. But all you need to do is to click on this top left, because you can click on it to change all the corner radius to make everything look sharp, to make everything look good. So you can decide to change it both top, left, bottom and right. But however, this is how I like to personalize my own or to customize my own design. So I like to use this top left. I'm going to leave it at 10. I'm going to leave it at 10, and you can easily type it here, or you can use this arrow. You can type it or you can use this arrow. I'm going to leave it at 10. Top left 10. Okay, I think 10 is too small. 10 is looking small. Let's make it 20. Let's make it 20. So top left 20 and bottom right. Bottom right, I will also make bottom right 20. Let me type 20 here to save our time. So now everything is looking good. So let me show you how it works right now. So I think you can see. So the corner are now rounded. The edges is not that sharp. So I like to leave it this way. Then I like to add some contrast to it just to make everything look perfect, to make it look good. So I'm going to add shadow to it. I'm going to add shadow to it. Just click on the button, then you come to this side. I think you can see you have shadow. So I like to use blurry shadow. I like to use blurry shadow. Blurry shadow, then style. Style, I like to use solid. Solid. So the color, I will leave it just the way it is because it's already coming out. It's coming out already. So I will now leave it at 2 pixel. 2 pixel. Now if you come to our button, you will see how it's looking right now. Now this is how the button is looking. I think you can see the shadow. You can see the shadow. So everything is now looking perfect. Wow, this is so beautiful. I like it this way. So once you are done customizing, it all depends on you. So feel free to explore all the tools and get access to how everything works. Just you can try everything out to get familiarize yourself with the whole tools. So play around with everything. Now this particular picture, I want to change it to the image of the ebook that we are going to be using as our lead magnet. So I'm going to click on it. Then I will now click on this. I think you can see my cursor. Click on this upload icon. So you are going to upload from your computer. If you have any image on your computer, click on this place, upload, then select file. So I'm now going to be selecting from my computer. So this particular ebook that we are using as our lead magnet, I downloaded this at freeplrdownloads.com. freeplrdownloads.com. I will leave the link into the description box below so that you can feel free to check it out. So basically what free PLR does is that give you access to download free ebook, and you can use it, customize it, change the design and make it your own. So that's how it works basically. So that's how free PLR works. So you can use the ebook as your lead magnet or as anything, whatever you like. So now this is my, I would like to click on it. So I'm there right now. Let me just choose e-cover because I need the ebook cover. So this is the e-cover I'm going to be making use of. So let me open it. So once I click on open, then I'll click on yes, insert. So all you need to do is to click on insert. I think you can see it has been inserted and everything is now looking good here. So it has been inserted, but it's too small, it's looking small right now. All I need to do is to click on it, then increase the image size. All you need to do is once you have clicked on it, then come here and click on this place, image size, then increase the image size up to I think 400. Though it all depends on the image you are using. In your own case, it might not be up to 400, it all depends, and it might more than that. So I think you can see it's looking perfect right now. So this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. It's looking perfectly okay. Everything is now looking perfectly okay. And then you can see, wow, everything is now coming out. I like the way it is looking right now. So once you are done with your design, like people, all you need to do is to click on save changes. And once you are done clicking on save changes, then you can now exit. Can now exit. Can exit. So you can now exit. So exit. So once you are done exiting, so now this is the first step. We are now going to be moving on to another step. So because it is step by step, they must come to this particular first step first. They must come to this quiz page before they can have access to the thank you page based on the arrangement here. And if you like, you can drag and drop the thank you page up. You can drag and drop it this way. You can drag and drop the thank you page up. I think you can see the thank you page is now up, but that's now is I'm going to do it. So the thank you page will be the second step after the quiz page, and you can decide to add step. You can decide to add step, you can name it, you can choose the step to add, you can choose in pop-up form, quiz page, you can design a pop-up form if you like, dance cell, webinars and the likes. So we are not going to be doing all that because it's not what we are about to do in this video. Let's focus on what we are after in this video. So now the next step is to click on thank you page, and it will load all the available thank you page templates. So like I said the other time, is either you create your own design if you like using the drag and drop, or leverage on the available templates and make them your own. So all I need to do is to check any of the templates I would like to use. So let me check any of the templates that I would prefer to use. So now I like this one all because it's looking so simple. It's looking so simple. Let me click on this one. So now I'm going to select this particular template. Right now I'm going to select this template. So now let's wait while it's loading currently. So once it's done loading, we'll be able to customize it and make it unique, and it becomes our own. So now let's see how it works. It's loading currently. So I think you can see how everything is looking right now. Please, my people, if I'm giving you value in this video, all I'm requesting from you is to help to grow my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it among your fellow members. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this will help me to continue to upload more awesome content like this for you guys. So and it will help me to grow my channel as well. So it's downloading. All you need to do is to click on edit page. Once you click on edit page, so it will take us there right now. Now we have access to all the templates and we can customize it. Yes, we can easily make it our own. It's as simple as that. I think you can see everything is looking good. You just drag and drop. What you see is what you get basically. So there is no issue with that. So now this templates, this thank you page templates is looking good and looking minimal. So I like the way it is. But however, we are not going to be making use of all this. So I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to delete some of the items here. So like this place, I'm going to delete it. Like this one, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete it. Now, instead of this, thank you for subscribing. So I can leave it that way. If I like, I can leave it that way. I can leave it. But let me change this one now. Get, okay. Click, let me write something like this. Click the but button below to begin download. To begin your download. To begin your download. 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 So this is it. I'm going to leave it this way. Click the button below to begin your download. So so everything is now looking the way I want. But based on this one, you can decide to change the padding and the margin also. That's the padding and the margin. So you can decide to change it. So only so and you may leave it if you don't feel like changing it. You can also change the margin too. So you can change the margin too. So you can change the margin. That's if you feel like changing the margin. So I'm changing the margin. So I'm changing the margin now. So margin is the spacing outside the border, while padding is the spacing inside the border. So that's how it looks like, right? So I think you can see. So I've reduced it. So everything is now looking good. So I think you can see it's now more closer. It's more closer. So it's not that far away. So once you are done, you can change this image. You can change this image to the image of our ebook. So all you need to do is to click on this section, then click on this upload. Then since we already have the image on our computer, click on the image, then click on insert. I think you can see it has been inserted here and we have it here currently. So it has been inserted. We have it inserted here already. So once you are done inserting, then click on this button, click on this button, click on this button. So instead of click here to join our community for free, all you need to do is to change it to click here now, click here, no, just change it to download now. So now let's look for the button text. Let's look for the button text. Where is the button text? Yes. Now this is the button text. So all you need to do is to change it to download now. Let's change it to uppercase. Download now. Oh, let's give it an exclamation mark. Download now. So and the button is looking good. I think I like the way the button is looking because the edges are not looking sharp, so and the corner radius. But let me increase the corner radius of the button. Let me increase the button corner radius, and also I will change the color. But initially, let me change the color first. So since I have the color code, let me paste it here. Ctrl V, change the color. I think you can see the color has been changed. Then the corner radius, I will increase the corner radius. Everything will be increased to 10. So let me change the corner radius to 10. All the side, the corner radius will be increased to 10. 10, 10. It is 5 initially. So I will now change it to 10. This one is no, I meant to type 10 here. So this one now also I will change it to 10. So once you are done, so everything is now looking good. Everything is looking good. So I have this one as red. Download now. So everything is looking good. So I'll also change this one also, the background color also. I will change it to red. So I will only need to paste the color code since I have it already. Wow, it's now looking perfectly good. It's looking perfectly good. So also this one also I would like to change it. I would like to change it to red. This one also, this thank you for subscribing. I will change it to red. So I will change it to red color. I will change it to red color. So I will change it to red color. So this, yes, this is where I'm going to change it. So just click on it, then click on this section, double click on this place and paste the color code. The color has been changed. So it's now looking good right now. So 15 holiday weight loss tips. So now one thing to be done here. So what is the action you wanted to happen once they click on the button? So what I need is to start download, for them to start download. However, you can change it. You can set it that okay once the button is clicked, it should open a URL where they will be able to download the ebook. However, you can upload your ebook to Google Drive. So then you now get the link from your Google Drive to this place. All you need to do, instead of this URL, you now link it to your Google Drive where they have access to download the ebook. And before they can download the ebook, mind you, they would have submitted their email address and their name. And once they submit their email address and their name, you now have full access to their email address and their name, and you can send them promotion anytime you like. You can send them a newsletter or campaign. It all depends on you. So that's the essence of building an email list from scratch. So now, but I would like to do my own this way. Instead of all this one, I would like to choose download file. So I'm not going to be using Google Drive. I'm not going to be uploading to Google Drive. I will upload directly to systeme.io so that they can easily download it from Systeme here. So once you are done clicking on this one, download file, once they click on the button, then which file are they going to download? I'm now going to upload the file here directly into Systeme. So now I'm going to select, so I can click on it and select it from my computer. So all I need to do is to click on document. So click on holiday weight loss tip, and this is the PDF. I already have it because I've extracted it already. So click on holiday weight loss tips, click on it, then click on open. Once you click on open, everything will now upload automatically, and once it's uploaded, just all you need to do is to click on insert and it will be uploaded. It's now showing up here now. This is holiday weight loss tips .pdf. So it's now showing. So once they click submit their email address, their email address we add to your contact. You know, on our contact list we have 0 contacts currently, but don't worry, by the time we are done with this, it will now change from 0 to 1 based on the contact we've added. So now once you click on this button, they click on this button, it will now start download. So now click on save changes. We are done with this particular customizing. Click on save changes, then exit. Once you are done exiting, now we are now going to test it out to see if it actually works or not. So let's wait for it. So I'm going to be testing it live. Now everything is done. So all you need to do now, we have our quiz page and our thank you page. So what you know, the first step is quiz page followed by thank you page, meaning they will first land on this quiz page before they have access to the thank you page, where they will be able to download the ebook. The squeeze page is where they will drop their email address, and once they drop it, it will appear on our contact list on our main dashboard also, and then they will be able to download the ebook. If they didn't drop the email, they will not have access to download the ebook, because it will not take them to this second section. It will be telling them that all the fields are required, that it must be entered before they have access to the next step. So now, since we have all this setup, all you need to do is to come to this link icon. This link icon, I think you can see my cursor where it is now. Click on this link icon. Then once you click on it, it will be copied. The link to this place will be copied. Now let's open the link in new tab. Let's open the link in new tab, and once you open the link in new tab, all you need to do is to click on paste, Ctrl V to paste it, Ctrl V to paste it, click on enter, and let's wait for it to load and see how everything looks like currently. Wow, everything is looking good. This is how the preview is going to look like. So wherever you are sharing it, maybe you can use this on your website, or on anywhere you want to start collecting the people's email, but it should be niche specific. You should be able to understand that you need those people from a certain niche, maybe any niche you are in. For instance, I choose weight loss niche here, so make sure you are getting the email from the people that are interested in weight loss niche. Don't go and be targeting other people that are maybe a web developer or others who are not interested in weight loss niche. So that's one of the advantage that you should take note of. You should target those people that are interested in whatever you are going to be selling. So now, let me enter any mail address here. No, let me enter any name. Let me enter John 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 Doe. Let me enter John Doe here. And once I enter John Doe, let me type in email tech 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 gurus 120 at gmail.com. And you'll be surprised to see that this particular email address will now shown. So once I click on the email, once I type the email and everything, then I click on download now. So I want to test run it. So e said this email address is invalid, please check. So now let me enter now. This is to tell you that this thing is actually working. I want to show you that it works, so that you can easily know that it actually works. So let me enter this one, passive income streams online shift to gmail.com. So now let's see if this is going to work. So this is to tell you that this thing is working already now. So now, wow, it's taking us to the thank you or download page. So wow, this is working perfectly. Then you can see this is how it's going to look like, and the email will now appear on our contact list and on our main dashboard. So once I click on download now, you will be surprised to see what will happen. So it will take us to the ebook, and where we can be able to download the ebook. So that's how it works. So it's loading currently. Bear with me for the slow network. The network is slow, please. I beg your pardon. Now, pardon me for that. So wow, we are there currently, and this is the ebook. This is how the ebook looks like. So, and they will be able to read all the weight loss tips. All the weight loss tips, they will be able to read this. They will be able to read it. And from here, to know anybody that is willing to download this book, you must have known already that that person is interested on losing weight. So you can now pitch weight loss product to them. These are the kind of people that you can sell your weight loss product to them. And this particular strategy works in any niche you are in. Assuming you are in the affiliate marketing niche or in the make money online niche, any niche you are in, this particular method works. All you need to do is to look for something that people are interested in, something that will solve the problem that people are facing currently. And once you are able to get that thing, they will be interested. So from here now, you'll be able to start sending them email about your promotions or any offer you have. So either you click on download, you can download it, you can print it, and you can read it from here directly, anything you like. If I should click on download now I've clicked on download and the download will start. So the download will now start immediately. The download will start. So I think you can see it has been downloaded. It has been downloaded. Sorry for that. So it has been downloaded immediately. So that's how it works. All right, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Please, if I have given you a lot of value in this video, all I'm requesting for you is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help me to grow my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to continue to provide awesome content like this for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share it among your loved ones.